Learn all the various folding gestures in a single video and quickly get started with the Huawei MateBook Fold. If you want to move an application window from the upper half to the lower half of the screen, simply place a single finger on the empty area of the Window's title bar and swipe downward quickly. Application windows in the lower half can also be swiped up to the upper half, or use a multi-finger swipe by placing 3 to 5 fingers on the application window. Swipe quickly to the other half of the screen using a multi-finger gesture on the application window to maximize the window. Perform another multi-finger spread gesture to enter waterfall screen mode, then pinch to exit. When you need to type with the keyboard, use at least 8 fingers. Lightly tap the lower half of the screen to bring up the virtual keyboard. When the keyboard covers the screen and you want to view the hidden desktop, use a single finger to swipe up on the upper half of the desktop to display the hidden desktop on the lower half. Swipe down to restore and display the hidden desktop on the screen's upper half. For more device tips, you can try 微微小艺.